Sir, in the last video, we covered about class level modifiers, public and default. Now, the next modifier we have to discuss, the most valuable, very important for the exam. That's why please make sure you have to take special care about this one. What is that modifier? Is abstract modifier. Regarding what the modifiers are? Abstract modifier, you people should aware, sir. So now the point is, what is the need of abstract modifier? What is the meaning of abstract where you can apply? Point number 1, very important, sir. Abstract modifier applicable for methods. Happily you can apply for the method, no problem, abstract method. Next, the abstract modifier you can apply for class. Abstract class, abstract method is applicable, abstract class is available, like abstract modifier applicable for variable, abstract variable. Have you ever heard about this? You respond. Have you ever heard about abstract variable? No such type of terminology. Remember, abstract modifier applicable only for methods and classes, but not for variables. First point is very clear. Next, what is abstract? General. Forget about programming. Regarding general in our day-to-day life, where we can use abstract. Abstract means not clear. Not clear. Array, his mind is abstract. He is not open-minded person. It is not completed. Just only abstract. Abstract means not complete. Something partial implementation, partial. Such type of terminology is the abstract. Okay, just a K which is not complete, just a partially completed, which is nothing but abstract. Keep this point in your mind. Okay, anyway, now let me talk about what is abstract method, what is abstract class. These two things I will discuss, very important for the exam. Please make sure, take special care. So first, what is abstract method? What is abstract method, sir? Sir, very simple. I have one vehicle class is there, sir. Public class vehicle. Public class vehicle class is there. Every vehicle contain number of wheels. 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler, like wheels are there. Public int get number of wheels. Public int get number of wheels. Assume, can you please tell how many wheels vehicle has? I have to return some number. Some number I have to return. How many wheels vehicle has? Can you spell out? Yes, friend. How many wheels vehicle has? Can you spell out? How many wheels vehicle has? We don't know. That depends on type of the vehicle. Sir, I have bike, 2-wheeler. I have car, 4-wheeler. I have bus, 6-wheeler. I have auto, 3-wheeler. Like, so if we don't know the type of the vehicle, then we can't tell how many wheels this vehicle has. Sir, even though we don't know about implementation, still we can declare a method. Are you getting? I don't know about implementation. I don't know how many wheels, which number I have to return. I don't know. Even though we don't know about implementation, because sometimes I may not aware implementation for the method. If you don't know about implementation, no problem. Happily we can declare a method with the abstract modifier. Remember this one, sir. You don't know about implementation. If we don't know about implementation, okay, if we don't know about implementation, keep semicolon and declare this method as abstract. Are you getting right? So what is the meaning of abstract method? Abstract method has only declaration but not the implementation. So sometimes we don't know about implementation. Still, is it possible to declare a method in Java? Yes, possible, by using what? Abstract method. Abstract method has only declaration but not implementation. That's why abstract method declaration ends with the semicolon but not the curly braces. Are you able to get very important question? Abstract method declaration should end with the curly braces, but should end with the semicolon but not the curly braces. Are you able to understand? One scenario, right? Sir, one more scenario I will explain. Suppose I have public class fruit class is there, sir. Okay, mango, apple, orange, like there are lemon, like multiple fruits are available. Now my question is, every fruit having taste, correct or not? Every fruit having taste. Now, sir, public string get taste like this. I have to return some string. Are you getting? I require to return some string. Return. What the taste of the fruit? Respond, man. What the taste of the fruit? Sir, if it is the mango, very sweet. If it is lemon, a bit some other taste by default. So until if you don't know the type of the fruit, we can't tell what is the taste. If you can't tell what is the taste, then how you can declare that method? No problem at all. Even though we don't know about implementation, still we can declare a method with the abstract modifier. That's why what you can take, just keep semicolon, and let me take this class, yes, this method, yes, abstract. Are you getting? Abstract method has only declaration but not the implementation. Remember, who is the responsible to provide implementation? Child classes are responsible to provide implementation. That part we are going to take care next step. First, aware what is abstract method? The method which has only declaration but not implementation. Such type of methods are by default considered as abstract method. Abstract method should compulsory answer with semicolon. Remember that. Now, sir, you are telling vehicle, fruit. Sir, can you please give a programming example? You people may ask, sir, best example. Here, see. I want to implement loan module. Are you getting loan module, right? Everyone is going to be attracted if there is a loan facility is there. Assume that loan module. What is the interest rate? Sir, if I can take class loan, sir. Public double get the interest rate. Are you getting? Public double get the interest rate like this, right? Sir, I have to return interest rate. Sir, 10.5, 13.4, 8.5 only. Like, do you know? Sir, interest rate. What is the interest rate of loan? Array, which loan? If it is a personal loan, 15% or 15. If it is the gold, if it is the car loan, 12% or 12. If it is the house loan, 8.5. Something like the interest rate, you can't tell at the loan level. It is varied from loan type to loan type. Sir, we don't know about implementation. No problem. Happily, you can declare this method with the abstract. This method with the abstract, and the compulsory, this method should answer with the semicolon. Everyone can able to understand, right? Now I hope you have some basic idea by seeing this vehicle, by seeing fruit, by seeing the loan. Everyone can aware, right? Sir, can you please tell what is abstract? Please respond. What is abstract? Abstract method? The method which has only declaration but not implementation. Who is the responsible to provide implementation, right? Child classes are responsible to provide implementation. But as of now, I don't know about implementation. Then such a type of method we have to declare with the abstract modifier. Everyone can able to understand, right? That's all. Now, from this exam sake, what important question is there? Let me talk very important points. Let me talk about this one. Here I'm taking public public abstract void m1. I'm taking, sir, public abstract void m1, okay, like this. Next public void m1, like this I'm taking. Public abstract void m1, like this I'm taking. Public void m1, like this I'm taking, sir. Very important for the syntax, for the exam sake. Now take a bit very special care. Can you please tell, is the first one valid or not? Among these four, which are valid, which are invalid? This knowledge must be required for the exam sake. Out of public, default, all these abstract, very special for the exam sake. Can you please tell which is valid? Can you please tell, is it valid or not? First one. If I can ask compiler, can you please compile my code? Compiler, can you please compile my code? Compiler will give left and right, because the reason is you are declaring this method as abstract, but you are providing implementation. Curly brace open and close means implementation. Abstract methods cannot have body. Abstract methods cannot have body. This is the compile time method we are going to get. Point number 1. So this is invalid. Can you please tell if the second one is valid or not? Observe carefully, man. If the second one is valid or not? Public void m1. Public void m1. Array, you didn't provide implementation. You are keeping semicolon. If you didn't provide implementation, compulsory we have to declare this method as abstract. Compulsory we have to declare this method as abstract. But you didn't declare this method as abstract. You didn't declare this method as abstract. Then without abstract, compulsory you should provide implementation, but you didn't provide implementation. That's why immediately error by default we are going to get. Remember that. Sir, next the third one. Sir, public abstract void m1 semicolon. Oh, meaningful. Public abstract void m1. Yes, sir, it's the meaningful, because the reason for that is it is abstract method not having implementation. Answer with semicolon, right? Acceptable. Sir, public void m1 curly brace. It is not abstract. That's why having the body meaningful, no problem at all. Are you getting? So very important, this is syntactical thing you should aware. How to declare abstract method. Very important point. Clear for all of, right? Sir, how you can declare the abstract method? Compulsory abstract method should end with semicolon, but not curly braces. Clear, right? Now let me go for a small chota example to cover all these things so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Sir, have a look once. I'm taking here, observe that carefully. Here I'm taking class test. Assume that class test. Sir, now public abstract void m1 curly brace open and close. Can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? Oi, please respond. Is it valid or invalid? Class test public abstract void m1. Is it valid or invalid? Compiler will give left and right, because the method is abstract, but you are providing the body. Curly brace open and close means body you are providing. That's why it is invalid. Now observe, if I can ask the compiler, can you please compile this code? Java C test.java. Are you getting? Java C test.java. Here, what is the compile time method we are going to get? Abstract methods cannot have a body. Are you getting? Abstract methods cannot have a body. Like this compile time method we are going to get, sir. Clear for all of you, right? Suppose I'm taking semicolon. Okay, sir, is it valid or not? Very important point. Is it valid or not? What is the problem? Perfectly it is valid. A small point is missing. That I will explain in detail. If a class contain at least one abstract method, compulsory classes should be declared as abstract. Remember this one. Can you please repeat again? If a class contains at least one abstract method, compulsory we have to declare class as abstract, otherwise it is syntactical mistake. Okay, anyway, this class contain at least one abstract method, that's why I'm taking the class also as abstract. What is the reason? I will explain soon, don't worry sir, I will explain. Sir, now either code is going to compile or not? Yes, perfectly itself is valid. Again, perfectly itself is valid, sir. Suppose I'm taking public void m1, public void m1. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Public void m1, is it valid or invalid? Invalid, because you didn't declare the body, you didn't declare the body, you didn't declare method as abstract. So if you don't want to provide body, compulsory you have to declare method as abstract, but you didn't do that, that's why error we are going to get. Have a look once, observe that carefully, sir. Here, what that compile error? Please sir, missing method body or declare abstract, missing method body or declare abstract. Okay, now I'm taking like this, public void m1. Sir, I'm providing the body, I'm providing the body, then happily the code is going to compile. Okay, that's all. So what is abstract method? What is abstract method? How to declare abstract method? These two things must be very, very important. Okay, what is abstract method? Abstract method having only declaration but not implementation. Remember, so that's why abstract method declaration should compulsory ends with semicolon. Okay, but not curly braces. Who is the responsible to provide implementation? Child classes are responsible to provide implementation. Clear? Any doubt?